Hi everyone, I was at McDonald's today and I wanted some extra sweet and sour sauce packets, but I didn't get any and the staff were kind of rude to me and I'm not going to take that. So what you're going to do is you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of apricot preserve and 1/4 of a cup peach preserve. Then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. And then 5 teaspoons of white vinegar. Then you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard, then 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to add in 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. Then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of water and mix it together. You're going to let this come up to a simmer and then keep it at a simmer for about 5 minutes. And here's the finished product. Tastes just like the original. Stay toxic, my friends.